Digital media wasn't built for introverts. It was built for people who love being loud, fast, and constantly visible. Algorithms reward high energy, frequent posting, strong opinions, and endless talking. Which is great, if that's your personality. If you're an introverted entrepreneur, business owner, or marketer, it can feel like the system is rigged against you. And in some ways it is. Digital platforms quietly assume that confidence equals volume. That authority equals constant presence. And that success requires you to show up everywhere, all the time, with unlimited enthusiasm. Introverts don't work like that. We think deeply. We observe. We refine. We don't want to shout. We want to be accurate. And here's the good news most people miss. The algorithm doesn't actually reward noise. It rewards clarity, consistency, and retention. Introverts are unusually good at all three. You don't need to post daily if your content solves a real problem clearly. You don't need to be charismatic if your message is structured and valuable. And you don't need to chase trends if your ideas compound over time. Quiet creators win by designing content systems, not by performing. Short, focused videos, clear positioning, strong hooks without theatrics, and ideas that people save, rewatch, and come back to. That's how you beat the algorithm quietly. While louder creators burn out trying to stay visible, introverts build depth. And depth keeps working long after the post is published. Digital media may not be built for introverts, but the algorithm is far more introvert-friendly than it looks. If you want to go deeper into this, read the article linked in the description below to learn more from Mauco Enterprises.